What's up, guys? I finally got the chance to work on the Mazda. So as of right now, I'm painting the calipers. I'm gonna show you guys the color I'm doing it, and I'm also gonna do the lower spring. Maybe I'm gonna do the rear fender roll. I don't know yet. But I'm gonna watch a couple more videos on YouTube. I've been watching a couple of those to how to do the fender rolls. I haven't got a chance. I haven't found a place here that do fender rolls, so I've seen how they do on YouTube. I bought the tool that I need to do the fender rolls. As of right now, I'm gonna show you guys how the calipers gonna look, and then once they're done and on the car, then I'll show you guys how they looks. Okay. So this is the color I'm gonna be painting the calipers. I really like how they came out. So once they're all painted, I'll show you guys when they're all painted and mounted. So once I finish all those and they're all 4 painted, I'm gonna show you guys how they look. So stay tuned. It's not something super crazy, but yeah, I like it. I know it's still dirty. Once I finish doing all this, I'm gonna get a really good clean. And now we're gonna be removing this suspension. That way I can take the spring off and put the new one. So it's just these 2 bolts, this clip right here, another clip right here, this guy right here, and the 2 on top. So yeah, it should be that hard. Part is done like this. This is what I think is the easiest part. The hard part for me is like taking this spring off. So this is the one I'm gonna be using. It's gonna be the CorkSport lower spring. So these are the new ones. That's the other ones. Alright. So with this tool, it's pretty simple. It's kind of simple but hard. You just put it like that on each side. And then with the ratchet, you just like turn it this way, and they're gonna compress. So you gotta do it evenly, because it's gonna be hard to then one side and then the other side. So yeah. So right now we're gonna try to do this fender roll. So let's see how it goes. I watched a couple videos on YouTube, so we'll see. So I just finished doing this fender roll. I cracked a little bit the clear coat. So it's good, the fender roll now, but I cracked a little bit of paint, so you can barely see it. But other than that, it looks good. So I'll do the other one, and then I'll finish for the day. So it is the next day, and I already got my calipers done. I installed my lowering spring, and I did the fender roll on the rear fenders. So as of right now, I just took it to the car wash. I didn't want to do it myself because it looks like it's gonna rain. I just want to have it like a nice clean to when I get my wheels on. But yeah, and I was trying to drive it around just with the just with the springs on, that way they kind of adjust where they were supposed to go. And as of right now, I'm driving back home. I'm trying to see if I can. I hope it doesn't rain for at least the next hour or two. That way I can do my wheels and probably take a picture or two. And once it's finished, oh, maybe before that, I'm probably gonna do. I almost forgot. I'm gonna apply it. I bought like some ceramic coat. That way I can apply it to the rims before they get mounted. You know, make it easier to wash them later on. But yeah. Then after that, I got to do the rear headlights, the tints. I still have to do that. I haven't got a chance. But today I'm only gonna do the wheels, and then probably on that. If it start raining, but probably have to wait for it to stop raining, or probably next day or something. But that's what I got. So the little bit that I record, we're gonna put it on video. I think it was like when I was painting the calipers, when I was removing the springs, and probably when I did a little bit of fender roll. I hope you guys like it. I'm excited. Can't wait to see everything, the wheels on. So I hope you guys like it, and let me know in the comments what you guys think. So it is finally done. Everything is put on the car, and it's really, I really love it how it looks. So check this out and tell me guys, what do you guys think? There it is. So as of right now, the only problem I have is that it comes out too far, that the center cap is not getting in there. So as of right now, that's the only problem I have. Other than that, I really love it. Other than that, I got no complaints. I'll probably have to get something. Just, I don't know if I can cut this or just like 1 or 2 threads, but yeah, that's the only problem I got right now. But I really love it how it looks. Awesome. Yep. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I have everything on, but I haven't got the chance to do it, is the tints on the rear headlights. So after that, I don't know what I'm gonna do next. I'm still looking. I was trying to change the front bumper, but I don't know. I'm just gonna enjoy it as it is right now. Trying to see if I can fix that bolt right there. I don't know if I can cut it or not. Just like 1 or 2 threads, just to make it like, to get the center cap in, and that's it. I will keep you guys updated on my Instagram. So follow me on Instagram, and see you guys in the next video.